Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching.
This is swim hair in the chlorine pool, so we're going to detangle it. I don't know if you guys are going to see her detangling her own hair video before this one, but she detangled her own hair. Then the next day we went swimming, well, they went swimming, and this is the aftermath. So I'm just going to go through her, detangle it again real quick and co-wash it to make sure she got all the chlorine out of it. But as you can see, her hair still has a nice luster, and all she did was detangle and deep condition her. Did you deep condition, or you just detangled and braided?
no.
Did you deep condition? No. So all she did was detangle, and you can see the luster on her hair, and she went swimming yesterday. So I'm gonna try to insert clips of them swimming. But I'm gonna take her hair down. Turn around for a second. I'm gonna take all of this down, and then get it separated. I might show y'all a little snippet of the detangling process, but you guys know I have detangling videos, and I'll link a more detailed detangling video in the video.
And there's a detangling video by your girl T coming soon. Link here.
It's not linked yet because I haven't even edited, and you haven't even done the voiceover.
Oh, so I can't say insert here?
No, you can't. Cause nothing.
Well, there. If just in case you guys are in need of a nice detangling video, if you don't know what you're doing, no, don't be in doubt, because I have a detangle video that's coming soon. So no fear. Breathe, everyone.
Okay, and I'm put this disclaimer in this video. Do not take her detangling instructions. You guys are gonna see how she detangle her own hair. So I'm gonna put that video up. She gotta do the voiceover and all of that over it if she does the voiceover. I don't know, either I'll do it or she do it. But that was her own detangling technique, y'all. So I just want to put that disclaimer out there. Period.
Period. If you do detangling, come here. Period.
That's... Okay, y'all. I'll be right back. Let me get this together.
I'll be back too. She's doing my hair.
Okay, guys. So I am taking her hair down, and I'm going to detangle a portion of her hair really quickly for you guys to see. I'm using TM Hair Products Smooth Through Detangler, which is what you'll see in the corner of your screen. And I'm just spraying her hair down with water. You guys know I like to spray the hair down with water. Like I said, she went swimming, and they stood under the outdoor shower to rinse the chlorine out of here. But I just want to make sure she got it all out and, you know, give her a cute little style. This is an easy style that you can do any day of the week. So this is why I love this style, and she really loved this style. This is like her, what she said, her signature look. Anything parted down the middle to her is her signature look, but that's neither here nor there. But as you guys can see, I put a little detangler on her hair after I sprayed it with water, and I'm just going through quickly detangling. Just mainly want to ensure that she didn't have any matting and tangling at the root, and that I rinsed all the chlorine out of her hair. I mean, you know, that all the chlorine comes out of her hair. That's what I'm mainly trying to do. So far, so good. Let me get through the rest right quick, y'all, and we'll be back. I don't want to hold y'all. So her hair has been co-washed. So we rinsed the detangler out. Her hair has been co-washed. Now, just the fact about me, I do not like styling wet hair. But for those of you lovely people who don't like to blow dry your hair, I do wet styles for you, but I personally do not like wet hair. Your hair is weakest when it's wet. So I hate styling wet hair. But for those of you who don't like to blow dry or don't like to stretch your hair and dry it, this is for you. Now I'm adding the Perfect Assisst Styling Aid to the part of her hair and a little beyond the part, because I really want her part to stand out and I want her hair to be really, really slick. And as you notice, I'm just going around the perimeter. I'm not putting it on the length part of her hair. I just want the ponytail to be very, very slick. To me, that's what makes your low buns, your puffs, your, ponytails. To me, that's what make them gorgeous. When they are slick to your head, when you almost look bald because your hair is so slick to your head. I love that look, so that is what we are going for in this look. And it's very easy. Great protective style. This is like a 10-minute protective style. When you tuck your ends away, it becomes a protective style. Now, you could wear it out and wear a big loose puff in the back. I've seen a lot of women do that, and I think that's very gorgeous as well. Where they just fluff out the back and make it real good, or they attach a fake ponytail. I hate to say fake, but an extension ponytail on their hair. So that's a look. So now I'm going to create her some edges slash baby hair, and I always got to bring something out for her because she think I just became a mother when I had children. Like I didn't live until I had children. I'm like, girl, we was slaying baby hairs before you were even thought of. So every now and then I have to bring something out of the arsenal just to show her who I am. Like, don't let the sweet taste fool you, boo. Like, this me you dealing with. No, I'm just playing, y'all. But every now and then I do have to just bring stuff out of the arsenal just to show her like I lived before I had you. But these are very cute. I thought they were. It gives you just enough drama, but without all the extra slayage. So if you've seen any video of her, she is dramatic. If you don't know, you will soon find out. She is very dramatic. She like everything big, over the top. That's just her personality. That's just who she is. But I thought this baby hair was just enough. It gave you a little, a little bit of that. But it gave you a little bit of like, okay, you know, it's just not hair all over the place. So I really like these baby hairs or edges or, whatever you guys call them today. But yeah, that's all we did. This is a very easy, low maintenance hairstyle. Um, I really like this. I mean, just a signature bun to me, I think it's just gorgeous. It's always in style. It's all, you could wear it anywhere, to work, to school, to church, to an event, depending on how you style it. So what I love about a bun is always classic, it's timeless, it's never going out of style, and it always looks good if it's done correctly. And it's just as simple as a ponytail, but it's just gorgeous to me. I love it. So that is what we did. But I told her, I said, I'm going to catch you on camera sleeping again. And this time, I'm going to post it. Got it! Okay, y'all. I know y'all weren't expecting that. But yeah, I told her I was going to get her again. So I got her again. I told y'all, this worked for children, adults, husbands, baby daddies, nephews. They get on your nerves, you want to put them to sleep? Pow, whip out the detangler and start detangling their hair. Boom, they'll be sleeping no time. But you got to finish their hair though. That's the only downside. But trust me, if you want to get them out of there, you want them to go to sleep, whip that detangler out. Told her I was going to get her, and I got her. I love when the head drop. I love that. I live for it. I'm sorry, y'all. I live for it. I love it. Now she's awake. She don't even know what happened. Look how she looking. Like, what happened? So this is the final look, guys. Very easy, simple, 5-minute protective style. Just very cute. You can wear anytime, school, work, church, anywhere. I love it. There will be pictures at the end. If you have any questions, guys, leave them in the comments below. Look at her. Leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our family channel. It's just us. I'll leave the link below. I am doing the editing on some of the videos so I can get them uploaded. But don't forget to subscribe. Thank you to all of you guys who have already subscribed. Thank you for showing the love. Thank you. We really appreciate it. So don't forget to subscribe to that video. If you're not subscribed to this channel, I said video, channel. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you in the next video.